Back in our view controller implementation file, let's have a look at our purchase button pressed method here. It gets called, not surprisingly, when someone wants to make a purchase. So let's have a think what this method needs us to do. Let me collapse all the other methods here, so that's a little less messy. This class needs to instantiate the shop class that we've written, and then it needs to validate the products with the App Store. To hold on to our shop property, first of all, obviously we need to import it here. Can do that right in the implementation file here. Call it shop, and set up another property, and I'll call it new shop. Just so that the delegate is set properly, I'm going to create a custom initializer for this as well. There we go. If anyone asks for it, it'll be properly alloced and initted, and the delegate is set to this class. Therefore, back in the purchase button pressed method, we can just call that method on self new shop validate product identifiers. So we've instantiated it, and we're validating the products. So now, in a program flow way, the shop class gets called, it communicates with the App Store, the App Store gets back to the shop class, and the shop class displays the alert view. Do you remember in the implementation file, if we have a look at it, display the store UI? This is called from the shop class, but the delegate for this is going to be the view controller now, and this gives us the opportunity to react directly there. So let's implement, in fact let's conform to the UI alert view delegate. Click button at index, that's what we're interested in. And we're going to execute that switch statement on the button index. And the buy button is 0, so that's that here. And since we only have another button, the other one is just 1. And now we can react accordingly. If the user wants to buy this, we need to call that second method on our shop class. So we'll say self new shop make the purchase. And then our shop class will take care of the rest. This should be all that we need for our first in-app purchase, or at least to test it. In our next video, we're going to go through how to set up an iTunes Connect test user and test this app on a real device.